Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm Tommy, and this is the ongoing saga of upgrading this 8-inch Newtonian. It says astrograph, and it almost is. We're getting there. We did the review of the RB Focus adapter kit that perfectly matches the Vader steel track. And one more comment regarding that, the screws. Let's see if you can tell. Yeah, maybe not. Anyway, I thought I can just go in there with a Sharpie, black them out, no big deal. It didn't really work so well. So I took it out. I'm going to paint those flat black and then put it back together. Primarily today I want to talk to you about spiders. So let me change perspective on the camera here, and we'll do that. Okay, coming back. This is the new CNC machined spider. Okay, I'm sorry. There we go. Trying to get the camera angle and all of that. So this accepts the Bob's knobs from my original spider. And what's curious, the cutouts, there's two of them. These are what line up with the seam on the tube. So if you use this one to line up with, then your diffraction spikes will look like this, like an X. But if you use the side one, then you're going to get your common diffraction spikes that are kind of more of a plus shape. So you get that option, which is kind of unusual, and I like that. Also, in the kit, you get 3 small springs that will go over the Bob's knobs, so you'll always have tension on your collimation screws. Because sometimes if you go to collimate and you'll turn one of the screws and you realize, oh, it's loose. So it could have shifted. With these springs, besides the center spring, you're always going to have tension on those collimation screws. And besides this being one-piece machined, the other benefit, you see how thick the outer ring is it stiffens the tube too. So as you're slewing your scope and weight changes, it won't affect your collimation. This will actually reinforce the tube, make it more rigid. So that's new. And then with these little trim rings that'll go on the outside, it's going to be a nice little accent, go along with all of the red ZWO items. So that's where we're at. One more thing, I'm going to switch camera view again. Hold on. Okay, coming back, and here's the view of the inside. Totally empty. And what I want to show you is the comparison. See how black that is on the outside? Yeah, I know it's glossy, shiny, but the blackness. And then we come in here, and this is considered a matte black finish, but it's not that black, honestly. So I am going to get the flocking and put that in here, and over here these baffle rings, well, they're not really that black either. I mean, I understand that these are for reflections. So this tube without those would have a lot of reflections. I get that. But as far as contrast, to go to a much blacker matte flocking, I should have a lot better pictures. So that will be the next step.